My secret sauce today is back to basics, Plastisol Inks. Let me start with this. Most screen printers use Plastisol inks in their day-to-day production. Basically, Plastisol is made up of PVC resin and liquid plasticizer. Plastisol inks are both durable and very forgiving. You can walk away from a screen loaded with Plastisol ink, then come back a week later and start printing again. To cure, the ink film needs to reach 320 degrees, causing the PVC resin to absorb the plasticizer. The moment the entire ink film reaches 320 degrees, the ink is cured now and forever. Most of the printing we do is with all-purpose Plastisol. This ink at room temperature is soft and easy to use and can be commonly laid down with one print stroke. You'll use this ink on light color garments or printed over a white underbase. Plastisol ink is also wet on wet. That means we can print one color after another without an extra step of flashing or drying between colors. High opaque inks are used for maximum opacity on dark garments. High opaque inks can be used as a standalone print or as an underbase that is flashed or dried on the platen, then colors are printed on top. In my shops, I stock two high opaque inks, white and athletic gold. The athletic gold is because there are so many schools and organizations that use that color on dark garments. Any other color is an all-purpose print printed on top of a white underbase. The next ink you'll find in most shops is High Opaque Low Bleed ink. Wait, there are two high opaque inks? Here's why. You can print 100% cotton garments all day long without any issues. But when you print a 50-50 garment, we run into something called dye migration. When cotton is dyed, the dye goes into the cotton fibers and it stays there. When polyester fabric is dyed, the dye stays on top of the threads and can release into the ink under heat. When you print white ink on a red 50-50 garment, the ink may turn pink as it exits the dryer. That's where High Opaque Low Bleed ink comes into play. The ink, when properly used, will help to block the shirt dye from bleeding into your Plastisol ink. These are the common variations in Plastisol ink, used in nearly every screen print shop. Plastisol is still king, and that's my secret sauce for today.